Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this special Android 8.0 operating system doubling special for ODS universal. Okay, you can check this UI interface. Okay, this volume button. Let me check the settings. You can check car launcher, HAMA. Belsee is a manufacturer of Android car head units. Telephone number and email address you can contact to us. You can choose the food logo. Okay, it's show food logo. Also, let me change this theme color from this panel. You can change the blue. Okay, let me choose the PLC. And change the color with red. Okay, let me show the Wi-Fi. It's built-in Wi-Fi. Okay. It supports Google Voice Command. What's time in China? Okay, it will show the time. Let me connect the small speaker. This small speaker I used its test head unit. Okay, it has sound. Okay, let me try again. New York. It will show the New York automatically. Okay, let me put our website, belsee.com. Okay, you can check this is our website. This Tesla model, BMW new model. Okay, let me check the navigation. It's built in the Google Maps. New York. It also can support the voice command from Google Maps. It will search New York automatically. Okay, it shows a New York map. You can touch control. And let me show the music. You can check this front mini USB, GPS and SD card slot. This position, the USB driver. Okay. Okay, let me show. Mute. Use mute button. Mute on. Mute off. It supports dual screen. It supports to run the Google Maps and music at the same time. Okay, let me show the video. It supports 4K movie video play. You can check video disabled while driving for safety. So you need to set it in the settings. Driving setting, watch video, turn on the watch video, and play video game from right path, USB 2. You can check this 4K Samsung 4K demo video over Word. Okay, let me show the Bluetooth. It's pin number Bluetooth. Okay, this is my Galaxy S8 Plus. Open the Bluetooth. And click search button to search the device. Okay, it shows Galaxy S8. Click pair button, you will get the pin number, put the 40. Okay, it change the color, show Bluetooth icon. You can make phone call. Let me play music. Let me streaming music from your phone. The first time you need to reconnect the repair Bluetooth. Okay. Volume control from your phone. Okay, the music will streaming music from your phone. And when you make phone call, the music will be stopped. For now, the music play. You see, the sound will be stopped when you make phone call or received phone. Okay, the phone call and the music played again. Okay, if you have any more questions, you can contact Belsee. We will help every our customers. Okay. That's all. Thank you.